All right, I found this clip on Twitter. Now, at first, I thought, okay, probably a radio tower, maybe a police spotlight, maybe a drone, something like that. But the more that I analyze the video, the more confused I get. So I'm going to play the original video, and I'll be back with my breakdown.
잠깐만요. Hàng trà uống lắm. Hola. ¿Te van a hacer algo? Ja. 10 minuten zeker. Wat is dit?
All right, so there you have it. Now, like always, we're going to zoom in. We're going to add some filters. Now, I don't think it's a radio antenna tower. I don't think it's a drone. I don't think it's a balloon. I don't think it's a helicopter. I don't think it's a strobe light. I don't think it's something up in a mountain and you can't see the bottom. I mean, look, we've seen it all. I don't think it's anything off in the ocean or the water, and it just looks like it's up high. Look, guys, we've seen every trick in the UFO playbook. Now, in this case, I just simply don't know what it is. You guys know, if you follow nocturnal news, I think 99.9% of what we see in the night sky is man-made, or it's a hybrid of, the black budget military programs from the DoD, the Pentagon, the military, whoever, and perhaps alien ET, just like Roswell. Okay, we all know that was reversed engineered. That's old news, old hat, we got it. Okay, but in this case, I really think that same logic may apply. I think this is something probably man-made, but with some ET tech, involved. Okay. Now, I saw these little red blinking lights and I thought, I got it. I find, look, guys, every time I think I've got it figured out, I pat myself on the back, right? I saw the red blinking lights. I said, okay, it's a conventional craft. It's a helicopter. It's a plane. But it's not. Okay. Of course, I zoomed in and I'm like, okay, now I'm even more confused. But it did remind me of this UFO case. You guys remember this was Niagara Falls, and what you'll notice here is something reflecting, and I believe, I think I was able to debunk this anyway. I think it's a spotlight hitting some type of object in the sky right there. Okay, and actually this is a clip in one of my upcoming videos where I zoom in, and I think I kind of proved that it is a spotlight, hitting something in the sky, but I don't think that's what we're looking at in the previous video. Okay, so let's have one final look, okay? Untouched, no filters, no zooming in, nothing. This is how the original person recorded the video in landscape mode, or I'm sorry, portrait mode. By the way, if you ever record a UFO, always do it in landscape mode, phone left to right, not up and down. Okay, fine. But again, you can tell there's nothing in the background. The object is not fixed to the ground. It's not flying northeast, southwest. It's just pulsating, illuminating this horrendously bright light that actually hurt my eyes while I was editing my video. I had to turn the brightness down because it was so bright. Now, Is there a chance it's CGI? Of course, there's always that possibility. But again, I independently verified the person that posted this video, and they have no UFO motive whatsoever.